What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a skincare routine, and I'm going to be showing y'all some of the products that I use. I don't know whether to look in this mirror or to look at y'all, but anyway, I'm going to be showing y'all some of the products that I use on my face at night, because I wear makeup sometimes 3 times a week at the most, and you gotta take care of your skin, and your skin will take care of you. So if you're interested in how I keep my skin clear, then keep on watching. But anyway, first what I use is the Equate Beauty makeup remover cleansing towelettes, and I just start wiping my makeup off with this. I start out wiping my face off. Okay, so these are like the off-brand of Neutrogena, so they only they only take out so much makeup. So I use the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water, and I put it on my makeup wipe to help finish taking some of it off. And I just go back over my face some more, because it's clearly like all not off my face. It don't come off that easy. So next what I use is the the First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Facial Cleanser. I insert a picture of it somewhere in the video. So I cut on the water, of course. Well, it has directions on it, but basically what I do is I will put some in my hand, and I wet my hand a little bit, rub them together, and start wiping my face, cleaning my face. And then I'm gonna rinse. So I don't rinse my face all the way, because like I said, I do this twice, and I'll probably only get some in my eye like I always do, but totally worth it. Okay, being that I'm finished with cleansing my face, the next thing I use is the Facial Radiance Pads by First Aid Beauty right here, but like I said, I'll leave it in the description and on screen. And this is like to help exfoliate whatever, which I'll be needing after wearing makeup all day, because you gotta take care of your skin. After that, I let my face sit for a minute. And last but not least, I use the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream and I just mix these two together, the Repair Cream and the Vaseline, which works really good for my skin because I have combination skin, so it helps me not dry out, but I'm very dry in my T-zone.